If you fall sick very often or frequently suffer from flu, sore throat and skin infection, it's possible your body needs immune to boost the immune system. The best way to increase your vitamin intake is by having a healthy and balanced diet. But sometimes our body is need an extra boost. Most of the time the immune system does job by keeping us healthy. However, the system sometimes fails to defend us. It can result in illness, infection, diseases. This is body needs reinforcement in the form of vitamins and other immune boosting nutrients. In this video, we will look at the top 5 vitamins that we need to including in your diet to boost your immune system and fight off infections. Our first vitamin that is essential to boost the immune system is the vitamin A. Vitamin A takes part in the production of white blood cell in the bone marrow and helps the body to fight infections from various types of bacteria, virus and other pathogens. This is key when a virus is present in the body. White blood cell will fight the virus and even eradicate it quickly in case of infections. If your white cells are off, the chances of infections will increase greatly. Vitamin A can be found in vegetables such as carrots, spinach, broccoli and cabbage. Also it's found in dairy products like milk, butter and even fruits like melons, apricots and mangoes. Vitamin B strengthens the immune system. Vitamin B is not just the single vitamin, rather a complex of 8 vitamins that have numerous roles in our immune system. For example, folate or vitamin B9 promotes a production and function of white blood cell. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin is also essential for the production of immune cells. Vitamin B6 or pyridoxine play critical role in energy levels and immunity. Vitamin B is key to the overall function of the body because it regulates the absorption of a lot of other compounds as well. Foods like avocados, strawberries and bananas are very rich in vitamin B, while other foods like dairy products such as yogurts or milk also have an sufficient quantities. To add variety, eat vegetables like asparagus as well as meat and fish in order to have enough vitamin in your diet. Perhaps vitamin C is the one vitamin you are most familiar with because it has been used since ages to boost immunity, decreases duration of cold and flu. Vitamin C, also called the ascorbic acid, is an essential micronutrient for humans and one of the most widely consumed dietary supplements in the world. Vitamin C increases production of interferons, a protein which helps the immune cells to fight viral infections. Many research groups have suggested importance of vitamin C intake and it is still considered one of the best vitamins to promote a strong immune system. It boosts our immunity in many other ways. Vitamin C can be found in citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as other fruits like blackberries, guava, kiwi, and strawberries. Nevertheless, vitamin C can also be found in huge quantities in other vegetables like red bell peppers. Try mixing up your sources to eat different food in every meal. Our next immune system boosting vitamin is the vitamin E. Vitamin E helps our immune system because of its antioxidant properties. It helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It can be found in walnut, almonds, peanuts, and it is also found in sunflower seeds, spinach and broccoli. The best oil that have these vitamins are the sunflower oil, wheat germ oil and soybean oil. Vitamin K is an essential fat-soluble vitamin involved on heart and bone health. However, it is also among the best vitamin for immune system health. Vitamin K acts as a cofactor for many plasma proteins and strengthens the immunity. Vitamin K that we absorb from our diet is related to intestinal bacteria. Therefore, the blood vitamin K levels greatly depend upon our digestive health. Vitamin K can be found in spinach, turnip greens, mustard greens, parsley, broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. It can also be found in fish and liver meat. This video features 5 of the best vitamins for immune system health, including vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. A vitamin-rich diet will be heavy in fruits, vegetables, and other whole foods. When you do supplements with vitamins, it is best to choose a high-quality product made from real food sources and free from toxins. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.